Good evening to everybody. I hope all of you are able to hear. So the paper was, you can say, moderate level. It was not that much difficult and it was not that much easy also. Some questions was there, which was really a good question, which can be, you can say that it was really level of the RMO level, because since IOQM is the combination of the PRMO and RMO, both are there. So those who got something, can you tell how many questions all of you are getting? So I solved all the paper, complete paper. I found that paper was the moderate level was there. Some question was really very easy. Some question was there by hit and trial method, you can do it. And some questions, of course, you have to apply the really good concept. So as the cutoff kind of the things, you can say that if it depend on your state also. In every state, different cutoff will be there. As like if I'm talking about the Kerala point of view, I guess anybody who's getting the 5 question correct, between 4 to 5 questions, they will be getting clear for the first level. So every different state will having the different kind of the cutoff. So you can, in the chat box, you can mention your which state you are there, so that at the end I will be addressing those points also. So let's start with the questions. I will be talking about the one by one, all the questions. Every question, I ask them to type so that I can save your time. I should not spend the 4 hour, 3 hour time for the discussing the paper, because you already wrote the paper. And whatever the questions time is typing is not done, I will be writing the answers, whatever the rough work I did. Remember one thing, this is the question solved by using here. It's not an official solution or key. So it may be sometimes 1-2 questions answer can be wrong. Right? And we'll try to see one by one, putting the things. The first questions, I guess, anybody who got it, the question number 1. If you got the question number 1, please type yes. Answer is in first question itself. Answer is given 10. Anybody got it? Let me see. This is the very simple question. If you know the sign rule, actually they wanted to see the sign rule, in these questions are not in the triangle. If you see that, wording of the questions, they will always mention in such a way that sometimes we get irritated by looking the wording. But if you see these questions, it's a very simple, using alternate segment theorem, you have to use it. That's all. And one sign rule. In any triangle, if I say this is the ABC angle, and this is the length A, this is the length C, this is the B, so we'll say sine A by A is equal to sine B by B. Whatever concept are you going to use, I'm just writing it. I'm not going to solve full questions because it will take a lot of time. So this is the what sign rule is called as and according to the alternate segment system is that one. In the triangle, if this the one side is the chord, this one you're taking it up. So if you say this is the angle is A and this angle will be C, to 100% sure that the opposite angle means this angle will come C and this angle will come A. Since this is the perpendicular, so you can use this rule, and you can find out the AB length. AB length is, you can, here I solved it, you can see very clearly that AB length will be what? This is the perpendicular divided by hypotenuse equal to sine C. So AB will be this one, BC will be this one. So now area, all of you know, area of a triangle is equal to half into length of two sides into sine of angle between them. So if I am using this one, this complete one, this one, so we'll say that the area of this triangle will be half AB into AC into sine of this angle, which is I wrote it here. Understood? So we will be saying that this angle will be this, using this formula AB by AC. The AB from here we can get it, AC from here we can get it. In the AC already given you 20, so we can put up here, we got this. This is the key point in this question. The moment when you got this one, so sine A by sine C, you have to get it, you have to use the sine rule to get the sine A by. So sine rule, if you are going to apply for these two sides, which two sides? AB and your BC, this one. So we will be getting this sine rule, AB by opposite angle sine C equal to BC by opposite angle, BC by opposite angle sine A. So this will come. So from here, BC by AB, we can get it from here. BC by AB, we can get it from here, put it here, and you will be getting an area of triangle 200. But they ask you that S by 20. So area of triangle by 20 will be equal to 10. So answer will be equal to 10. So this is what the answers will come. So anyone got this one? This questions? This is what the area of this first questions will come in. Now coming to the second questions. This question actually, it's very, very simple if you do by the vector method. That's why I did by the vector method, and I given the answers for this question number 2 this way. So of course, I don't know you people, how many people know about the vector method. You have to use the vector method to get the answer quickly. And remember, in the geometry, by using the vector method, we can solve very simple way. GK question, I did not understand which question. What are you asking, Miss? This, what exactly you are trying to ask? I did not understand. So question number, this, what actually logic I used to apply this one. This is call it as an origin. Suppose this one as the origin, and let's say call it this the D vector, and this is called as the B vector. So all of you know, in the parallelogram, this bigger diagonal will represent your summation. So this will be your B plus D vector. So we can say that lambda into B plus D vector equal to mu into 1 minus mu. This part will come by using the coplanar condition, and compare the coefficient of B and D. You will get the value of the lambda, which is the required to answer of this question will become 67. It's a purely based on your vector topic, so you should be understand the vector clearly. Using vector easily you can do it. Now coming to the next question. Anybody got this question? This question, anybody got it? Question number 11, anybody got it? Sorry, the second one. It's a kind of the very simple question if you apply the vector. Otherwise also you can do by using geometry. Unnecessary, it will be slightly lengthy. That's all, nothing else. It's not that much difficult. But if you use vector, this question is nothing. It's a very simple question. So those who are preparing for the next level or maybe for the IOQM next year, for them, my suggestion is that use the vector. Vector is the very powerful tool for solving the geometry problem, where you don't have to apply so much theorem, just basic logic you have to apply it and you'll get the answer. So using vector easily you can do the things. Okay, let's come to the next one. And this, I did not get that typed answers for this one, so we will be, I guess this answer is the 60. I already solved it, that one. So once I'll get type, anyhow, those who are attending this, they will get the PDF typed one, but I did not receive the PDF of typed one. See, this is the trapezium. Actually, this question, I will suggest, if I have to solve, I will say that this question cannot have the solution because question is clearly not mentioned. But what they mean is that since they mention that A intersect the base BC. So I'll tell what exactly they are trying to tell to you. One trapezium, they are going to take it. Let's take this way. So in fact, they try to mean by this one this is these two sides are parallel. Actually, they did not give. They must give. So this is the A, B, and C, and D. They did not mention AD is parallel to BC. It has to be specified. Then only the question can be solved. But by default, I assume that it's a BC and AD. This will be parallel. Trapezium we take up always like this one, but not necessary. It may be happen that these two sides are parallel and these two are not parallel. So question clarity is not that much, but still we can think about this question. It's a simple question. Basic logic has to be applied of the circle. What are the logic applied here? This is from any outside point. If you draw the two tangent to a circle, so length of this will be same as the length of this. If this is the L length, this length, I'm talking about this length. This length is same, always will be same as this length. If this is the L, so this will be also L. So using this logic has to be. So if you read the questions carefully, it's extension at E, inscribed in a circle, angle bisector at A. So first draw angle bisector. I draw this one. And between them, they are saying that one circle is drawn. The one circle has been drawn between them. Now they are saying that it's going to the circle touching the side AB at M and BE at point P. So they are saying point, find the angle DAE in degree, means DAE. This is the E. This angle they have to get. This is the angle bisector. So suppose this angle is theta, so 100% sure this will be also theta because this is the angle bisector. Now if you take this one as a X, so this will be also X because of this logic. Think carefully. Suppose this is the outside point, this length is Y, so this will be also Y. This length Y, so this will be also Y. And now here the point is that one, this is the X, this is the X, it is taken place. Now after that, some points they mention into this. What exactly these points can be. This is theta already given. Remember, this angle is the theta is given. Now, if you join this one, they are saying that the condition AB by MP, these two ratio are equal to 2. AB by MP equal to 2. Now here you have to apply this midpoint theorem of triangle. What is the meaning? It says that if you will join the midpoint of the two sides and this is parallel to third side, so we'll say that this length is the L and suppose this length is M. So we are going to say M equal to 2L. In the 9th class is this topic. Midpoint theorem. Means if these two lengths are equal, middle point, these two are middle, so this will be these two lengths. So think carefully. In this point, what we can talk about that the length, how will we considering that this point, we can apply the midpoint into this one. Now this is the x, this is the y, this is the also x, this is the y, this will be also y. I did not consider this one, what is will be this length. So assume your this length is the, I'm not taking it, but if this is the theta, so this will be also this angle theta, this angle theta, this will be also theta. Why so? Because in two parallel lines, if you draw that one line, so alternate, using alternate angle theorem, we can say this will be theta, so this will be also theta. If this is the theta and this is already theta, so this was xx, so this will be also xx. So you can see very clearly that midpoint theorem, we can apply it here. So this is the midpoint theorem we can apply in this. This is the x, this is the x, this is also x is going to be happen. So this length will be what? Let's calculate by using this. AB, AB is your x plus y divided by MP. MP, I don't know, that's what we have to calculate, is must be equal to 2. That means MP will be equal to x plus y by 2. Means this length will be x plus y by 2. But what this midpoint theorem says, this length will be half of this length. And this total length is what? 2x. So this length will be 2x by 2 means x. That means we can say x plus y by 2 equal to x. Your question is done. So you will get x equal to y. That means this y is nothing but x only. If this is equal to x, think carefully. This triangle length, this side length 2x, this side also 2x, this side also 2x. So this is the equilateral triangle. So this will be 60, 100%. So this will be also 60. So finally, answer of this question will be 60. So how many of you got this? It was a simple question. Okay, the next question. Okay, 1% got it, 2% got it, fine. Let's see the next question. This was unnecessary question they asked. It does not make any sense in this question. This question answer should be, I guess it should be 10. Answer of this question is 10. Answer of this question is 10. I did not get the typed solution, but I can give you a hint. See, this question, if you ask me from which topic is it, it does not belong from any topic, no topic. It's a common sense question. The purely common sense question is there. Answer of this question will be 10. Simple idea is that one M written on the board and Alice play the following game. In each move, X is the number on the board. She replaces X by 3X plus 2. So like that, you have to move 4 times, and the fourth number you have to equate with the fourth number by the bob. And then equated this one, and then you put the minimum value so that you can get the smallest value. The answer of this question will be 10. I will be sending the detailed solution once this type is getting. Let me check if I got it, the typed one. So surely I'll put up here. Yeah, I got it. So it's better to paste for you. Check it out, everybody. I guess all of you able to see. That's what I was talking. Alice M become 3m plus 2, 9, 8 plus 27. This is the last round, and this is the also last round. Since at last round they're saying at the end both are getting same number, so this will be equal to this, and from here you can compare this one. This will be minimum only. Every time it will be equal. So many possible value can be happen, but least value has to be there. So what is the least value of m and n, so that this should be equal to m equal to 5 and n must be also 5. So total summation will be 10. This is the answer for this question. So every question solution I cannot discuss until unless I will not get the printed, because if I will solve, it will take a lot of time. I don't want to waste unnecessary time. So purpose is that one, every question answer we should know, and then we should discuss about the cutoff and what should we do the preparation. So I guess this question is clear to everybody. We can go ahead. How many of you got this question? Anybody got this question already? Okay. Now next, let's see what is the next question. This one. This is a simple summation of this question is there, and I guess the answer of this question, we have to use the little bit modulo concept of this one. The divisibility answer will be the 95. Answer will be 95 of this question. Check out your answer. What answer you got it? And solution, let me see if I get it a printed form of the answers. Yes, printed form is available. So I'll just paste it here. Just pasting it here. I can explain you after that, so that we can save some time. See, this is what the solution is going to come. It's just expansion. You have to expand this one, and you have to use the concept of the modulo. Modulo concept has to be used in the arithmetic. The most important concept of the number theory, we learn the modulo concept. Modulo concept, I hope all of you know. So that modulo concept, if you use it, then easily you can solve this question. It's not very difficult question. So how many of you got this question? No need of writing, because I will be sending the PDF. I'll be uploading the PDF. Anybody got this question? No one. Okay. Modulo concept has to be used. The next one. This was hit and trial question. Anyone can guess the answer? Anyone can guess the answer? Means if you did already, so you can write it the answer. Before I write the answer. Okay. The answer for this question, I guess, it will be question number 6 is answer coming 43. It's a hit and trial question. Just do hit and trial. Without hit and trial also you can do it. But that time because in 3 hours you have to do the 24 question. So you have to save little bit time also. So from here, this is going to come as the 43 will be the answer. And let me check if it's type solution. I will be putting solution. Okay, it's not typed. But using simple logic, you can do the questions. This one, you can see A and B are positive integers satisfying this condition. A and B are positive integer. That means A and B both are the either greater than equal to 1. But if you look this equation, it's a very quickly I can solve this. A very simple question. So I have no need of solution printing. B cube plus AB plus 25. A and B both are positive, so 100% sure A cube will be greater than, because this minimum value 1, this minimum value 1, greater than equal to 27. Or you can say A must be greater than equal to 3. A must be greater than equal to 3. So first value, what I am going to take it, that is the 4 I will take. You'll say, sir, why 4 you will take? Because 3, if I am taking it, it will become very small. 25 cannot come. This will become 27, and these two already greater than 1. So 27, so A equal to 4 if I'll take, so 64 equal to will get B cube plus AB plus 25. So by just putting the hit and trial, B value some put it, so I think B equal to 3 will satisfy this question, this equation, B equal to 3. See, it will say how many value I'll put. You don't have to put much value, no? Because B will start with the 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is not so much big. B equal to 3 with itself will give you answer. So B equal to 3 will give you answer. So answer of the A square plus B cube will be equal to, A square will become your 9 and B cube will become what? Sorry, 360. Because A equal to 4 I take it. A equal to 4. So 16 plus B cube will become 27. So it's going to be 43. 43 will be the answer. Anybody got this question? Yeah. Few people got it. It was easy question, just simple. Next, question number 7. This is a beautiful question actually. Now, answer is coming 35 for this question. Only simple logic will be applied for here. GCD of two number, if you multiply GCD and LCM, so it will come AB. So GCD of AB into LCM of AB will be equal to AB, A into B, number product itself. Using these two logic, you can get the answer of this question. Answer is 35. So this is the purely number theory based question. Pure number theory based question. Like previous question, if I ask you which topic, this is common sense question. There is nothing like number. You can say that algebraic identity you should know. That's all. Algebraic identity. Before this question, fifth one, if you see, this is a series based question. You should know how to use sigma plus modulo concept has to be there. So these are the every chapter will have some weightage which has to be looked into this. Question number 8. Now I will be just keep on giving you the answers so that we can save some time. Question number 8, answer will be 32. Solutions will be uploaded in the link as well as it will send in your WhatsApp. 32. Answer of this questions will be 32. Again, this questions is purely based on the number theory plus quadratic. Both has to be used. 32. Anybody got the question number 32? Anyone got the question number 32? Okay. I'm not leaving the questions. I will be solving the questions, but that since typed answer is not there, so if I'll solve it will take time. So I will be uploading the, once type is getting done, we'll be uploading there. right? Next, question number 9. If you see, this question, yeah, see, every question I already saw. So I'm having the solution in handwritten. That is not, we cannot paste it here. It will take time again. I will tell, right? That's why I'm writing key first quickly so that key maximum people can utilize the time. This question, 100% sure they will give the bonus because there is the infinite number of values will come. For question number 9, it will be bonus because it's not clearly mentioned what exact means. If you form the triangle, different type of situations will come. So this question's answers will be bonus only. It will not be infinite answer is there. Since we have to give the answer in the term of the digits, so 2 digit, so there is an impossible to mention infinity. So surely we'll see, they will get the bonus for this one. So actually, just you have to draw a triangle, you'll get the idea. That's nothing great about this. Two sides integers are having length 18 and x. One is the 18, one other is the x. If there are exactly 35 possible integer value of y such that 18xy are the triangle, then find the number of this is the. So for any triangle, the possibility is what? The difference of two sides, difference means mod of difference, is always less than third side. And third side is always less than sum of two sides. So this inequality satisfying will be infinite solution will be there. That's why this question will come in the category of bonus. This will not be given the correct, there no answer for this question. Infinite answer will be infinity for this one. Now, question number 10. Every question solution will be put up, don't worry. But first round, I'm just trying to see that key. All of you are curious about that key, what will be cut off. So you can verify your answers, and then I will be start putting the solutions for this. Till the time I will get the solution of every question. So the digit-based number theory-based questions, and answer for this questions will be, answer for this question will be 88, I guess. Yeah, 88. Anybody got this question? Anybody got this question? 88. We'll discuss cutoff, which is just within 20 minutes. I will write all the answers. After that, I will be discussing cutoff. I'm not going to discuss every questions. I will be putting the solutions because that will take a lot of time discussion. Next, question number 11. If anybody did, please type your answer. If anybody did, please type your answer. If anybody did, please type the answer. Yep. One person is giving the answer. It's a 8. Will be the answer for. Again, solution of these questions will be putting the solution. First round answers related, because I already have this discussion. We solved all the questions. Find the maximum value. Anyone got the answer for this question? Please type. Question number 12. No. This question, again, having the contradiction. So I'm putting the category of the this bonus only. This question also I will be coming back and showing you that why I'm talking about the bonus part, this one. But right now I'm putting in the category. In one. Next, question number 13. Anybody guess? Did and can tell the answer? Question number 13. If you did not get, please mention did not get so that I can understand means where the children are facing problem. Thirteen answer is coming 60. 60 will be the answer for this questions. You have to use geometry plus progression. This topic, geometry plus progression. Both has to be known. Next, question number 14. This is so much calculation based question. Any guess? Anybody got the answer for 14? 14th, anybody got the answer? Fourteenth answer. Okay. Okay. Let me show you because this is the first question which I solved. So this must be typing must be there. So whatever question I solve later, that typing is not there. Let me check if I'm having typing because this is simple calculation based question. So let me show you this answer of this question first. I will write 16. Answer is coming, I think 18. Let me check with the key. It's 18. So solutions, I'm just trying to post it. Just a second. Yep. 16, not 18. I think I taken up the wrong way. I written wrong. It will be 16. Yeah, 16. Remember, sometimes 1-2 question I may be given the wrong answer because as the fast I'm solving, so maybe some calculation mistake can be happen. So make sure you should re-verify. I will also verify if anything update will be there. I will update in the comment box or description. I will mention. This will be the answer for this question. 14th one done. 14th one, 16 answer. Again, I'm saying, please do not take it that it's a confirm answer. In the past, when we are, I didn't write the topic name. This will be simply, it's a kind of the number theory plus your, you can say algebraic identity. Just simple algebraic identity, you have to use it. This is the topic of this one. Answer will be coming 16. Next question number 15. Anybody got the answer? Please type the answer if you got it. Question number 15. Anybody got the answer? Please type the answer. Yes, PDF will be provided, don't worry. In the description link also will be adding up, as well as if you already registered on the WhatsApp, then you will get automatically WhatsApp. Yes, question number 15th. The answer. As I got the answer 25, I'm not sure. I will put up the solution. Solution is not typed still. The moment when the type is coming, I will put in the typed answer. Purely, this is the again your algebraic identity. What I'm trying to tell you, this is algebraic identity and number theory plus geometry. It's more than enough for the Olympiad. Plus your number theory. Number theory in the sense, number theory throughout will be there. You cannot avoid the number theory. Number theory is complete. Complete Olympiad is depending on the number theory. So number theory has to be very, very strong. The next question number 16. I didn't ask. Anybody got this question? Anyone got this question? No one. Okay. It's not that much difficult. Just little bit calculation is there. Next. Again, you can see it's a pure form of your number theory is coming up. Answer, if anybody got it, please type. What the answer? I got it. I think, yeah. Anyone got the question? Question number 16. Answer is 18. Anyone have the same answer? Again, perfectly number theory question. Solutions will be sending in the form of this. This is another very good question. Purely use of function plus number theory. Anyone have the answer for this? Whatever answer you got it. Question number 17. No one. I did not get answer from anybody. What happened? This question answer will be, I guess, let me check what I got it. 22. Again, I am saying, I just solved roughly. The typed version will come to you soon. The moment when I will get in my computer, I will show it here. But the answer, what I am getting, that is 22. Anyone got it? The 22. Function plus number theory question. This is function plus number theory. Both has to be done. Next, question number 18. Anyone who got it, please put up the solution. If anyone got it, please mention the key. Again, it's a number theory question. At the end, we will be checking that how many questions from which topic is coming up. And so that those who are getting qualified for the next level, they can plan your preparation that point and what should be the expected cutoff. This will be the answers. So see, for all the questions, there will be a solution, but right now I'm not putting the solution because you cannot understand the writing and all. I will show you anyhow the solution. Once the type will be done, it will be shown to you. Right now, it will be very weird format. So something like this. Just hold on. Question number 18 solution I can show to you. But I don't know you will be able to read or not. Something like this. But once it will type it, you'll get clear picture. That's why I'm not putting it. So I'm just writing the answers. So this answer will be 70. Question number 18, answer will be 70. 70. 70 will be the answer. Next, question number 19. This is the permutation and combination question, PNC. Really simple question. Anyone got the answer? Please type the answer. Anyone got the answer? Please type the answer. Question number 19. Anyone got the answer for question number 19? The answer will be for this questions. What I got it again and again I'm saying I cannot give the guarantee that all the answers will be correct only. Whatever I got it, that's I'm showing to you. Answer will be 10. For this question, answer is 10. Question number 19, answer will be 10. Permutation combination question. Next, question number 20. This again you can see permutation and combination. Anyone got the answer for this question? Anyone got the answer for this question? Make sure all of you to respond. Question number 20. According to me, the answer has to come, that will be 3. The answer for this question is coming as 3. 21. This again comes in the form of P and C. Of course, little bit geometry also will be used, but I will not put in the category of geometry. I will be putting in the category of P and C because this is the just counting. Anyone have the answer? Question number 21. Anyone have the answer? Twenty-one answer is coming up as the 45. Answer of this is coming up 45. The next one, 22. It's a binary base system. The topic base system, base of a number. See, if you talk about in the IOQM, what are the topics are there? Only few topics are there. One is the number theory, geometry, series, base of a number, and of course trigonometry. As such, they don't ask, but we use trigonometry. Like in the first question itself, we use trigonometry for calculating the area. So trigonometry will be there, and P and C, of course. So you can see they are touching each and every topic, but the maximum topic which they are covering, that the number theory. So 22, anybody got the answer? Please let me know. 22, anybody got the answer? Please let me know. 22, if anyone got the answer. "22" answer is coming 8. Solutions, we are updating you very soon. Next, question number 20. This was 22, yeah, 23. Again, geometry question. Anyone have the answer for this question? 23. This is the geometry question. The answer which I got it, that is 29. 29. We'll be putting solution soon. And your last question. This is the perfectly P and C question. Counting. This question answer. Anyone got the answer? Please let me know. Question number 24. If any, whatever answer you got it, you can type it. At least I will be knowing. Twenty-four answer. What I got it, that's the 81. I'm coming to the expected cutoff and then putting the dual solution. So this is the total your topic with all the questions answered. Right now, I just updated answer. As I'm getting the solutions, I will be updating solution and explaining also how this answer came and how that answer came. So now let's visit further this expected cutoff. What should be the expected cutoff for this paper? So if overall, if you'll see that this first question came from the geometry plus trigonometry. I'm just telling you the point. Those who are going to attempt for the next level are those who are going to retry the IOQM next year. To try to understand, visualize all the kind of the question, which topic you have to concentrate. You can see this is the pure geometry question, but if you don't know trigonometry, it will be difficult. I'm not saying impossible to solve, but difficult to solve. Similarly, if you're going ahead for this question, this is again pure geometry, but I will suggest use vector and solve this question. In fact, you can do vector here also and solve this question if you want to avoid applying the other rule. So vector generally is not, student who prepare for the Olympiad, they don't do vector topic, but vector always help for the solving the geometry. So using the geometry, see in the two step, you'll get the answer for this question, because just apply the condition for the coplanarity. Because this vector, if you see this one, this vector and this vector and this vector is in they are coplanar. So coplanar condition I apply, I got the value whatever they require. So it's just one step. That much similar triangle, congruency, and all those things you don't have to apply. Easily you'll get answer quickly. Similarly, this is the again kind of geometry question. So geometry you should know it, and that's what we did. This question I solved this one. Question this one I will not put any. It is a common sense question. If you ask me which question is this, is the common sense question. Nothing, no topic. And similarly, this is also series plus modulus 95. So all these questions answers I given. Those who did not write the answer, they can write the answer and solution. They can download it. Every question's answers I wrote it. This question, it's not possible 100% to be bonus. This question 88. This is the 8. 12th one bonus again. 13th one 60. 14th one 16. 15th one 25, 16th one 18, 17, 22. I'm writing the answers also, this topic name also. This is the 70, and this is the 10, 3, 45, 8, 29, and 20, 24, 81. This is the complete of the key. I'm now coming to the point of the expected cutoff. So, this is the really live only. It's not kind of any recorded. Don't worry. What will be expected cutoff can be happen. According to me, see, I cannot say for the what will be exactly expected cutoff for the overall, because it's not all over India level, it will be go for the state wise. As I told that for the Kerala state, it will be around 5 question. If anybody did correctly, it will be uh, getting into this. One student asked from Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh also will go around 3 to 4 questions only. High expected cutoff, you can say, from the Telangana and Rajasthan, there will be, I think it will go 6 to 7 question. For Rajasthan also, it will be around 6 to 7 question. So if any particular state you are, you can type in the chat box. I can tell my expectation. I'm not saying that is the correct things, 100% sure. According to paper, I can give some kind of the expectation. So if you type, all of you can type your state name, I can surely put up in the chat box. So for the Kerala, according to me, I'll be guessing any student will go 4 to 5 questions correctly, will be getting the certificate. Next, I miss qualifying also. And certificate, though, there is a percentage already given. For UP, I guess this will also go 4 to 5 only, not more than that. For Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, it will go around 7 to 10. 7, not 7 to 10, 7 will be very high. 7 to 8 questions correctly, you will be qualified according to me. So any other particular state, Haryana, I'm not sure. According to the last year, it should be enough. Same 3 to 5 question. I'm just taking 2 questions margin because according to that fluctuation. So if anybody 3 to 4 question correctly, I guess it will be qualified kind of things. Any other state? Anybody wanted to know the things? Any other particular state? Then you are qualified. Very congratulations. If you feel so, I hope so. See, be clear. This is my expectation. I'm not saying that this is the 100% that will be taking place. But as the paper is saying that way, because some question was the really lengthy. If anybody get stuck in that question, they will keep on solving. Question number 23 का आंसर आई थिंक लेट मी सी टाइप हो गया कि नहीं हो गया, but 29 आंसर इज 29. Question number 23 answer will be 29. 23, question 23, the answer should be 29. Any other state anybody wanted to know? Because UP I told already, no, 4 to 5 questions. 4 to 5 question, I think more than enough. Question, I already told all the answers. Question 15, question number 15, answer 25. Just me, I will put in the chat box all the answers. I just put in the chat all the answers. Question C, somebody asking that is it the 10th class level? Of course, all the topics came from the 10th class, 9th class, but we should say that yes, it's not NCRT level, it's not a school level. Questions has to be go very much in depth. So they are not asking you question from calculus, which is the 11th class or 12th class. They are asking question of only those topic which is there in the 9th and 10th class. But that will be that should go in depth. And as I told you, the second question which I solved, I think by what by vector method. So vector is not necessary. If you're not knowing this question, I solved by the vector. Like this, so many other method also can be applied. So that is not required. Key vector, you should know it. But if you're knowing vector, it will be very easy. A bonus question means what? Key means, according to me, it should not be considered. The answer cannot be predicted. It's like one question answer came infinite number of triangles possible. So infinite, we cannot mention in the OMR answer sheet. So that has to be bonus. So either they will give the marks to every student or they will delete the question. That is the what two options will be there. See, free marks is not a good idea because it will be given to everybody. So most probably they will remove those two questions, which if they are also saying that it's a bonus question, maybe I don't know. According to me, it should be bonus. Is 26 is good marks? I hope so. Which state Avinav you are? Which state? Delhi, I guess it should be enough for the Delhi. It should be, all Delhi will be considered as the one, South Delhi or not, whatever. 26 marks, I guess so. It's a good enough. See, please do not include a bonus as a marks. Do not include. One person got 2 correct in the 8th class. I will really congratulate you. The 2 questions you did, very bright chances there. You're having sufficient time. 1 year, you do proper preparation. I will suggest you that take pre-college mathematics book and complete it. And I am 100% sure in the next, after 1 year, that 2 questions will become your at least 20 questions. In this paper, a child who completed pre-college mathematics, I am sure that at least 17 to 18 questions they can do correctly. Certificate, I think if we get anybody getting the 2 questions correct, they will get the certificate, I guess. So any doubts, anybody having? Solutions will be there in the description box, link which you can download it, you can go through it. I will put up video solution also because I don't want to consume 4-hour, 5-hour time, all of because I know all of you wrote the examination and just sitting and watching for the 4 to 5 hour, it will not be a good idea. That's why I put up the maximum questions answers first and solutions will be typing into this. Cutoff marks for Kerala 3 to you should get at least 4 to 5 question correct. 4 question correct, that means happy. 5 question correct means very happy. I got 4 marks. Kanshik Singh got 4 marks. 4 marks are 4 question correct. See, the book which I refer and I used to read for preparing the topics, that is the book's name, that's called Pre-College Mathematics. See, I'm not sponsoring or something. All of you know that this is not the book which is the can be sponsored, because I like the books, and this is the good enough for doing preparing the your things, so you can use that one. I got 14 marks. 14. How many question correct, Anash, you are saying? Any students who got the less marks wanted to improve for the further preparation, I will suggest that please take up this book and solve properly. And one thing always remember, if you are not getting one question solution, do not try to search solution on the internet or YouTube or Google. That will make you handicapped, because then forget about the preparing. Not getting question, again read theory, retry. Maybe today you are not getting, tomorrow you'll get, maybe tomorrow not getting, day after tomorrow. One day surely you'll be able to solve, but the day when you'll solve, your confidence level will be very high. Suvendra Singh, you are got 7 marks. Means which are the questions correct? Here, can you tell me question number so I can really understand how what is your preparation level? See, if there are you are asking about the further how to means what is the level of yourself and which are these now J. I don't know how many, because I don't want to discuss about the IIT JE at this point of time. But JE paper is totally getting converted in the Olympiad style. And if you notice, so many questions will be there. This year JE Advance will be purely fundamental basic. There is no application method is required. If anybody have are in this class who know the 11th class or 12th class, they can go through the solution which I presented in the different way. You can go through that one and you can see that how they are changing the pattern for asking the questions. So it's a purely based on the. Okay, let me read the things. 1 minute. Just hold on, please. I am from Kerala syllabus and I can't understand all 25. How can I prepare for the next year? See, that is nothing wrong. You don't understand, because if you did not prepare earlier, surely you will not understand. If suppose I don't know Chinese and I'll go somebody write China in Chinese language in front of me, I will not understand. Of course, I have to read Chinese. So you have to read the book, proper book. So please refer NCRT plus pre-college mathematics. Do it. It's more than enough for the preparing your IOQM. This is saying got question number 7, question number 10 correct. I got question 14 and 18 correct, but not including. Okay. 7 and 10 correct. 7 and 10, which are the question be? Question number 7 and 10. 7. Good. It was really number theory, pure number theory question. 10 also this number theory, good. So I say it's you maybe study well. So please continue your preparation and do the things proper way. All this book, try to finish it off. Suvendra Singh, question number 6 and 13 he did. Question number 6, what was that? 6 was, yes, algebraic identity. And 13, geometry progression. So Subindra, you did well. Now it's depend ki means how you are planning for your next preparation. So it's a good things. Remember, there is no shortcut. There's nothing other things can be done. I will suggest you that there are the four to five chapters are there, and that 4 to 5 chapter you can select 2 3 chapter and put your maximum effort to each and every type of questions, but question by reading theory properly. Uh, See, two for Uttar Pradesh, you correct 5 questions. So I will say yes, a very high chance for getting for second level. Class 10, yeah, you are in class 10 and did 5 questions correctly. So I will say yes, it's very good performance. For Chhattisgarh, I will say 3 to 4 questions cutoff will be there. See, if you in 10th class wanted to prepare for the JEE, I will suggest you that please make your maths and science strong by fundamental book, not by the IIT JEE book, not by the any foundation series book. Avoid those kind of the books. Read fundamental books because the JEE is nowadays asking only fundamental level of the questions. But that fundamental level will be really important. So prepare your your maths and science. Automatically either JEE or whatever exam it will be done. Cutoff for UP will be around 3 to 5 questions. Suvendra, you are in class 9, so I will really appreciate this. Please spend 1 year time for preparing well so that next IOQM you can really crack a good. See, basic, there is nothing like that. Basic is NCRT. Problem is that one NCRT children used to read, but they will read the overline, means outer region. They don't go inside. You have to go in depth. So for that, that's why I suggested a book. Take a proper reference book. Do not take any study material or question bank from the coaching institute, including Math IT. I'm from coaching institute, but the same things I'm saying. Book proper reference book and try to read, do that mathematics from that book. That is why I suggest you do pre-college mathematics. It's one of the best book. It's more than enough to get the more than the 15 questions will be corrected if anybody did properly pre-college mathematics. I can bet. If anybody did pre-college mathematics, they solve by their own, not by Google or YouTube. Then more than 15 questions will be correct in this paper, or in future also it will be happen. And those who will prepare JEE after that, for them also it will be very comfortable. I already wrote on the screen what the book you have to study. That is the book I already mentioned in that. Pre-college mathematics. Pre-college mathematics. That is the best book for preparing your Olympiad. See, for Chhattisgarh, I already told, I think 3 to 4 questions according to me. Nothing much difference will be there except 1 2 state. For example, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, there the student used to study from 6th class. So there surely will be cutoff will be high. Rajasthan cutoff will be high because there is the total factory is there for making the JEE preparation and all. So it depends where awareness is more, their cutoff will be high. Where awareness is slightly less, there are cutoff will be less. See, I don't understand one thing, why people used to separate board preparation or the other preparation from the IOQM is also asking the same topics what is there in your 9th 10th class. First you finish your 9th 10th class book and then only go ahead with the any particular other books. Right. So I think enough for the day. Allah will be getting the those who send the WhatsApp, they will get the automatically PDF. Or if you did not register on WhatsApp, then you will get the PDF only by tomorrow in the when the link will be uploaded there. In the night, we'll be sending to those who already registered for the on the WhatsApp. So any other question anybody wanted to ask, or should we make it off? Okay. So thank you very much to all of you for joining, and we'll see in the next sometimes other examination discussion. Are there any other session when I'm conducting? So that time we can see at once again. Thank you very much.